are two fun guys.
Hi guys, Josh and Kevin from the We Are Two Fun Guys channel. We're trying to recover from a challenge that we just did for a video that's going to post on our YouTube page, and which I haven't told Josh this, but just for our friends over at Poor Man's EDC page, I'm going to do a pocket dump for you, just to see what we got. Want to do a pocket dump?
We can do a pocket dump.
Oh. Spyderco positron carbon fiber.
I went the cheese balls. I actually don't have that in my pockets right now.
Benchmade 808 Loco.
I haven't left the house.
Let's see what else I got. Got a Nightcore tip flashlight.
I got me a little flashlight here too.
Got my, what else I got? Can't remember the brand of it, but just my wallet.
I got a little,
and not really a pocket dump, but
it is
got
a
the
tool.
G-Shock Mudmaster. And if you haven't seen the hat video, I got 45-foot of fishing line in the band of my hat. Yeah. And I've also got sinkers and hooks under the bottle caps in the hat band. So that's pretty much my pocket dump.
Me, and I'm honestly kind of embarrassed right now to be called out on a pocket dump because I really don't have too much. Got a through night light here. This is 126 lumens.
128. I think.
128 lumens. That one is. Yeah.
Through night.
Yeah,
Yes,
the
through
same
night
one.
titanium.
Yep. I have, of course, no matter where I am, even if I'm in my house or in my pajamas or in my birthday suit, always got a knife.
Where do you put your knife when you're in your birthday suit?
Only if you know.
All right, well, we're going to get some pictures and post them for you for our pocket dump. You got anything else?
Benchmade 808 Loco, that was the knife. Cell phone.
Yeah.
I also have a G-Shock Mudmaster. That challenge is getting to me. Has a compass, altimeter, barometer, and a thermometer. And I have a custom paracord bracelet that I made. Made Kevin one too. There is close to 30 feet of paracord in this paracord bracelet here. I got two different colors, black and blue, along with standard clip. So of course I have a lot of cordage that I can use if I wanted to take apart those strands of that 550 cord. So usually I have another knife, but I'm running on empty this morning. Oh man.
Yeah, I know that last challenge was wicked. But anyway, we just want to do a pocket dump for you. We'll get some still shots so you can see better than what we show through the video camera. Hope you enjoyed it. So to everybody out there at the EDC, at Poor Man's EDC page, big thumbs up to the men and women in uniform. Catch y'all later.
Peace.
Peace. Alright, here we are at the end of the video. You see right here? Click on that and then click subscribe. Deuces.